Welcome to the project demonstration of underground cable fault distance locator. In this project, we are using GSM module, LCD display, PIC microcontroller, light and relay, and also using GPS module and rectifier. And also here we can see the fault board. So the main aim of this project, it will show the fault in a different distance. So if there is any fault nearly to these 3 kilometers, it will show the fault and it will give a message to our registered phone number. So let me see. So we have to give a power supply for this GSM module first without on this kit. So we need to give the power supply first for this one, and we are giving the this adapter. It takes 230 volts of AC and will give a 12 volts 1 amp rectified DC power supply. That DC power supply will be given to this GSM module. So here we can see light indication. If it is blink fastly, which means this SIM is not connected to the network. It is blinks slowly, which means this SIM is connected to the network. So now it is blinking very slowly. Now it is connected to the network. So and also here we can see how we have placed SIM to this slot. So SIM edges will be equal to this edge. We have to fix that way. Now this SIM is connected to the network. After that we have to give this power supply. So here we can see we are providing the 230 volts through this wire cable. So we are giving the 230 volts power supply through this rectifier. Rectifier will convert AC to DC. The converted DC will be 5 volts. The converted 5 volts will be given to this PIC microcontroller. Through PIC microcontroller, power will be divided equally to this all components like fault board, LCD display, GSM module and relay. So here we can see the status is normal, no fault it is showing, and here we can see the longitude and latitude values of this GSM module. So in indoor GSM module can't be connected because it will be connected only in outdoors. Then only it will be identify the location. So we will show last of this project of the GPS module. So we will show the first GSM module how it will be given message. So here we can see we have mentioned R, Y, B. So if I make a fault at distance of 3 km, it will show a message. So here we can see B fault at 3 km and supply is off automatically. Then we will get a message registered phone number. So here we can see it is showing B phase fault and it will giving a location. So here we can see there is a 000 values, which means is a latitude and longitude values. Now we make a fault at, so we are removing the fault. It will become normal position and supply will be on automatically. So there is no fault, light is on. If we make a fault at Y phase at 2 km, so we can see Y fault at 2 km and message will be come to our registered phone number. So here we can see Y phase fault at the location. In normal position we fix that fault. We can see there is no fault and light is on, and we are making the another fault at R at 1 km. So R fault at 1 km and message will be come. So here we can see R phase fault at the location. In this way, any fault at the 3 phases, it will give a location and the kilometer range. So we fixed this fault, so there is no any fault and supply is on. If there is any fault will be detected by the SPIC microcontroller, it will be read the fault and it will process the signal, and that signal will be given to this relay. So relay will be get switched off when fault occurred, and relay will be get switched on when there is any no fault. Let us see the GPS working in outdoor. Now we are in the outdoor, so we cannot see the light indication. When GPS got a signal, it will give a light signal. Then only this GPS got a signal. So here we can see the light indication of the GPS, which means it is got a satellite signal. Now if we make a fault here, so at 2 kilometers we made a fault, will be send a message. So here we can see Y fault. We make another one. So we can see the location also. So we made a first Y fault and will be send a message like this. So here we can see the longitude and longitude values here. If we open this one, it will send a it will be show a location. And also here we can see the longitude and latitude values here also. In this way this coil will be works. Thanks for the watching.